So I'm gonna do a salmon yuzu bowl. I've got some graza frizzle for the high heat, but I also have some sesame oil because I want to increase the smoke point of my sesame oil. Fish is very simple, so treat it simple. I've just got salt and pepper. That's all I need. The sesame oil is gonna give me a big boost of flavor, and the vinaigrette on my garnish is gonna be the real flavor bomb. This is very, very simple, just a few ingredients. I've got some sesame oil, I've got some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of yuzu Japanese barbecue sauce, pickled ginger juice, just the juice. Then I'm gonna add my cucumbers, very thinly sliced, and let that sit for a bit. Let's hit it with a little bit of sesame seeds. It looks really pretty, and as those sit in the liquid, they're gonna begin to take on all those beautiful flavors and be a gorgeous garnish. I am a sucker for shiitake mushroom. They'll soak up anything that you give it. So all the flavor from the butter and the sesame, all of that's gonna get into the mushrooms. Let's hit that with just a bit of salt and pepper.
It's off to the races.
I've got some pre-cooked rice. I'm gonna go with a bit more of that graza sizzle. Now this is very, very simple. It saves you some time. You can be elegant on a budget, so don't be afraid. A little bit of pre-cooked rice.
Which, by the way, would fall right through on a traditional grill.
Now you can find Japanese barbecue sauce at any grocery store. Give it a try. There's usually different kinds that you can try. Some are sweet, some are spicy, but they're all delicious. Give it a toss and let it heat up. Oh, beautiful. It's funny, we actually have a lot of similar ingredients. Like the base ingredients are fairly similar. I've got the yuzu, which we didn't talk about. It's a Japanese citrus, and you're using limes.
That just lines right up.
I didn't mean for that to sound patronizing.
Condescending?
No.
Because it sounded condescending.
It did.
I'm gonna go ahead and nix that condescending statement of yours. Yes, we are using some similar ingredients, but mainly the seafood aspect of this is probably the biggest part of it.
One of my favorite parts about rice bowls is how bright and fresh they are. No matter what time of year, it's like this beautiful thing. I've got some fresh sweet corn. I've got some avocado. I have the gorgeous pickled cucumber. Then our mushrooms and our salmon goes right on top. I like to garnish with a little bit more of that Japanese yuzu barbecue sauce. I think it's really, really delicious. Did we see how crispy that edge got? Shiitake mushrooms.
No.
For the win. All day.
Controversy. No mushrooms.